Let's create this look using the MŌDA Ultimate Face Kit. Lay down your favorite highlighter first, your concealer and foundation using the pointed foundation brush. And don't forget to cancel the redness around your nose. Set your base using the multi-purpose powder brush. Less is best. Pat your favorite eye color on with the eye shader brush and sweep it right along the lash line for a monochromatic look. Create a wing using the angled liner brush. Make sure to keep your eyes open for the best shape. Sweep on some mascara and lashes. Load up your falsie fan brush with your favorite mascara. Paint this onto your natural lashes to blend your natural lash in with the false lash and fluff your lashes. Sculpt the cheekbone and jawline using the precision contour brush. And pinch your powder brush to give you a more precise blush application. Let's make it glow with the micro glow brush on the cheekbones, cupid's bow, and bridge of the nose. Line and define your lips using the pointed lip brush. And here's the finished look. Super glamorous and easy to use with MŌDA brush.